Are you looking for the best Asia lifestyle server? Even if you're crack or premium, you can join. Then you click the right video. This is the Concord SMP. I'll be showing you all of its unique features like server shop, custom plugins, and so much more. We have ranks. We have so many ranks in here. We have teams. If you want to make a team, we have shop. Basically, all you need is here. We have rebirth. If you want to get to max heart, you need to rebirth to actually get the 20 hearts. This is a guide which basically tell you everything you need to know. We have a coin flip, which is gambling. I don't like that, bro. If you want to fight, you can do RTPQQ. If you're going to start, you can get this starter kit. It is free. By the way, the best money method is the spawner. Bro, this guy skip AF. We are going to go to the crate. So this is the spawner crate, prime crate, legend crate, rare crate, and boat crate. And the last one is concord crate. The good thing about the server is that it's not a pay to win. And yeah, it has a good TPS too. If you want to play the server, this is the IP, and if you want to know all about the server, it will be this in the description. This the Discord server. Please like and subscribe my video, please. I'm not the owner, by the way.